Okra water, also known as lady's finger or gumbo, has been gaining popularity in recent years for its numerous health benefits. This slimy green vegetable is not only delicious when cooked in dishes like gumbo or fried, but it also has a long history of being used for its medicinal properties. The secret of okra water lies in its high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Okra is a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, which are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system and preventing chronic diseases. It also contains minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which are important for maintaining strong bones and muscles. One of the most well-known benefits of okra water is its ability to lower blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that okra contains compounds that can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a great natural remedy for managing diabetes. Drinking okra water regularly can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Okra water is also known for its ability to improve digestive health. The slimy texture of okra helps to lubricate the digestive tract and promote healthy bowel movements. It is a natural source of dietary fiber, which can help prevent constipation and promote regularity. Okra water is also rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and improve overall gut health. In addition to its digestive benefits, okra water is also good for the skin. The high vitamin C content in okra helps to promote collagen production, which can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. The antioxidants in okra also help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can help prevent premature aging and skin cancer. Another secret of okra water is its ability to promote weight loss. Okra is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great addition to a weight loss diet. The fiber in okra helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help prevent overeating and promote weight loss. Okra water can also help regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent cravings and help you stick to your weight loss goals. Okra water is easy to make at home. Simply wash and slice a few okra pods, then soak them in water overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach. You can also add lemon juice or honey to improve the taste. Drinking okra water regularly can help you reap all of its amazing health benefits. In conclusion, the secret of okra water lies in its high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This slimy green vegetable has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and is now gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits. From lowering blood sugar levels to promoting weight loss, okra water is a powerful natural remedy that can improve your overall health and well-being. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some okra and start reaping the benefits of this amazing vegetable.